Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is vegetarian shepherd's pie. I know shepherd's pie is normally made with lamb mince, but if you're a vegetarian and a shepherd, this is the sort of pie you'd make, I think. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found down below. First, let's prepare the potato for the topping. And to do this, simply cut the potatoes into chunks. We're leaving the skin on because we like it that way. Place into a pot of salted water, bring up to the boil, allow to simmer for 15 minutes, then drain well. Then place a knob of butter on top of the potatoes, salt and pepper to taste, and give it a light mashing, and then reserve until you need it. Next is on to the vegetables. Cut the peppers, onions, mushrooms, leeks, carrots and parsnips into bite-sized pieces. Then heat the oil and the remaining butter into a suitably sized frying pan. When that's nice and hot and melted, add the garlic and mix through for a minute or two, being careful not to burn the garlic. Then just add all the vegetables to the pot and again mix in thoroughly. The eagle-eyed amongst you will be wondering why I'm doing the cooking and not the wife. Well, it's quite simple. Wife's out and the pubs aren't open. Next it's time to add the thyme, oregano and paprika and again mix through. Then it's time to add the flour and again mix in well. When this is done, mix in some stock or water until a nice thick gravy is achieved. Then it's salt and pepper to taste. Then place a lid on the pan and allow it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. When the 10 and 15 minutes are up, remove the lid from the pan and add in the spinach and again mix in well. Continue to cook till the spinach is well wilted and the sauce is thick and unctuous. Then it's off to a suitably sized oven-proof dish. Then it's time to spoon over the crushed potatoes. Then it's off to a preheated 180°C oven for 35 minutes or until the top is crispy and golden brown and the filling piping hot. And you can rest assured that no shepherds were hurt in the making of this recipe. We hope you like the look of this video and decide to give the recipe a try sometime. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now.